Ayun na nga, Diyos ko. Good evening mga kapukol, mga kasama sa laro ng darts. Isa na namang video tayo, no? Usapang darts na naman po tayo. Guys, those international subscriber that is watching this YouTube channel for darts video and practice throws, guys, this is Jom Soriano. You are here at YouTube video entitled Usapang Darts at iba pa. So guys, on our featured video today, this is our Unicorn Striker 24 grams. I repointed these darts with 38 mm points. It's just the regular points, just to make the darts look like a needle thread, something like that, just to make the point long for the treble purposes. All right. As you can see, guys, this one is pure knurling, the barrel itself, so it will give you like more edge when it comes to grip, because it will not slip off your hands. I will do this video English and Tagalog, simply because we do have Filipino subscribers as well, guys. And just to give an update with our channel, guys, we are growing up. I know we have a lot of videos compared to our subscribers right now, but I'm still encouraging you guys who are watching these videos to please like and subscribe the channel to help the channel grow, not only here in the Philippines but also abroad. So guys, I really appreciate your support every time you send comments and suggestions with our next video, what will be our next video. So yeah, as you can see, to all my Filipino subscribers, guys, ito, ayan, nilinis ko siya tapos nirepoint ko siya. Ang ganda, oh, ang ganda, sobrang ganda ng ating darts. 24 grams siya. Ginamitan ko siya ng short shops, nylon shops, and Amazon plights. So color coded as usual, orange, and we will put these darts into the test dun sa ating dartboard, guys. So we will be doing like 2 sets of 501 throw using the darts for this video. So again, guys, this darts is like a torpedo style dart. As you can see, the tip, it's not pointed, but it's like a torpedo tip barrel. And then we have this kind of gripping, snurling for proper throw. So let's go ahead and do this video. Again, guys, I'm still here. My previous videos, I'm filming it on the other house, which is like what they call this, a garage, or like a bodega is what we call here in the Filipino, wherein we store things, different things. But here in the main house, this is our main house, so I temporarily placed my dartboard here. It's a blade wire type local dartboard, which is called Terto, not Terton, but Robson, guys. Robson. This is the brand where our Filipino Titan represents during the World Championship. Ian Perez, he is sponsored by this specific company. So guys, bear with me because I'm just the one doing the filming. So you can see there's also a whiteboard on the bottom of our dartboard. That way we can do some scoring as well. So game, let's do this. Give me a second. And please pardon my English, guys. I know I'm working in a call center industry, so we do minimal English speaking. Okay, guys, game. No more practice throw. And also, we just have to do our disclaimer, guys. I've been playing darts for almost 30 years now, since the 90s. I've worked international or abroad for 10 years, and when I come back here in the Philippines to work in a BP or call center settings, so that's the time that I rediscover playing darts. So here we are now with our YouTube channel, asking for your support and subscription, guys. Alright, so again guys, Unicorn Striker 38mm mission points, non-rated, disclaimer. So whatever the number of darts we will be able to finish the 501 set, that's it. Alright, go, let's go. Alright, here we go. Just make sure that we stand firm for a perfect throw. Alright, first set. 45. 4, 5, 6. Let's do the scoring for video purposes. That way, we may be able to see our production. Sensya na dun sa mga subscriber nating Pilipino, guys. Kailangan natin gawing mag-English din, to use the universal language para din dun sa ating mga international subscriber. But anyway, we'll do back and forth. English, Tagalog, English, Tagalog. Alright, okay, game. Next row. Bumaba. 40. So far, hindi maganda yung hagis natin, no? Okay lang yan. First set. Gumagamay pa. Tsaka galing sa upo. Okay. Third throw, guys. There you go. There you go. 70. Okay. 3, 4, 6. Tama ba? Tama ba? Oo, tama. Tama ba? Okay, tama. Okay, game. Bulls. Nice one. 60, 85, 86. So, we are a bit increasing our production. 86. 260. 260. Okay, next row. Ah, 55 guys, 55. 205. Bumaba bigla. Okay lang yan. Alright, 15 darts total. Going 18 darts. Lamang talaga yung 5 guys sa hagis, oh. Lamang talaga yung 5. So, 40, 185. So, we start with this. We go up. We slide down again. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Kinukuha ko yung bulls eh. 99. Pwede na tayo guys. Pwede na tayo mag-check out. 86. Kuha natin sa 20 tapos sa double 13. 86 guys, 86. Isa pa. Uy. Set up na lang. So 25. Ayan. 36, 36 guys, 36 score. 50 left. Bilugan na natin. So guys, 50 left. 18, double 16. We have 3 darts to spare. We're running 24 darts na yan, no? So pang 27 na to. 9 ninth set of darts na to. So, 50. Game. Yan. 2 darts to close out the game. 16. Double 16. Ah! 42 score. 8 left. 8 left. Inaabot pa nga ng 30 yards. Double 4. Tapusin na natin, guys. Inabot pa nga ng siyam-siyam. Okay, game. 8 left. Ayun. So, 30. Actually, 29 to be exact kasi yung isa paso. Okay. Next set. So, hopefully, less than 30 tayo ngayon. Game guys. Use natin. $60. Lagi talaga yung tendency lumilihis. 45. 396. Lumilihis yung last dart, so hindi ko alam bakit. Siguro kailangan natin set upan to ng mas maganda nga. Okay guys, 396. $45. 351. 351 guys, 351. And 351.55. 296. Ganun na ganun, no? Paulit na naman, no? Slide down na naman siya. Okay lang, mas tingin natin. Yun, nakuha rin. 80. 216. Ganun na naman yung trend. Wala na naman tayong 100 na makuha, oh. Pero sige lang. $60. 156. Baka dito maka-highs check out na tayo rito. 120 and then double 18. Tinaman natin kanina. Game. Lamang 5 talaga. Alright guys, 55. 101. 101. Yun, 17. 30 left guys, 30 left. Double 15 guys, double 15. Focus tayo, double 15. Damn it. 15 left. $86 score. 3 double 6. Push na natin. Damn it. Ay, sorry. Double 6. Guys, dalawang paso na yun. Dalawang burn. So, ibig sabihin, total of 30 darts na rin yan. Double 3. Halat. Ganun pa rin. still the same production, mas humaba pa. Ah! Worst. Wala. Pangit yung second set. The more that we are trying to finish yung yung laro, talong nag-a-add ng Kaya dapat kapag umahagis ka, steady lang. Ayan dapat talaga ayan walang pressure lang. Sana lang guys, sana lang. Pangit na second set natin. That was the worst 0-1 game. $85. $416. Pero it's hard because you're doing video, you're throwing darts, you're talking as well. So it's hard to multitask din guys. But anyway, let's do this. $85. $331. Yan. $85. $331, $231, $246. Okay. Okay. 100. List natin kasi nakikita naman ayan Check out. Check out tayo guys. Check out. Game. Bago tayo mag-let go. 60. 86. Ang natin patagalin guys para focus tayo. Walang check out. Kailangan 51. Kailangan tumama tayo sa 51. Wala na. Setup na lang guys, setup na lang. 80, 70, 65. Tira tayo ng bulls. Wala. Sa 10 tumama. 25, 31. 55. Wala. Okay. Hirap din. 55 guys, 55. Discard na natin to. Okay. Sabi ko na nga ba, worth cherry dapat Bulls lang tinitira ko Double 2 guys, double 2. Yun, buti na lang nakuha. Nilang hiya yan Buti nakuha. Nakuha guys, 55. Ang tinitira ko lang siya, I'm just setting this up to throw for a bull. And then I will go for the double 15 to close out 55. However, first dart hits the bullseye. So we have no choice because we have remaining 5 left to close out the game. So single 1 then double 2. Fortunately guys, we were able to get this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, that's 21 darts. We were able to close out the game with 21 darts. So that was the best. Our last set was the best set that we have for this video guys. So again, yan guys, as you can see, it's all documented. The first set was a success, considering that we came from, you know, sitting down, doing the video, doing the intro for this video, and then we immediately throw for our first set. So that's 30 darts below, um, less than 30 darts just to be exact. And then the second one was the worst when we are trying to improve our throw. We average like what do you call this, like 40, 50ish average on the second throw. But on the third set, we were able to recover. We were able to get that 21 darts to be exact, 7 sets. So using this new and repointed Unicorn Striker 24 grams. So I've been trying to check if this is the perfect setup, because you were able to see how the darts managed to land on the board using this setup. But for me, it's a good setup, considering these points is the main reason why, you know, we are hitting the treble as well. It's just being consistent in every throw, and you have to focus. But simply, but because I'm sorry, but the reason why we are not focused when we are doing this, it's because it's hard to multitask as well when it comes to doing YouTube video by yourself, doing the camera by yourself, and then throwing darts, and then speaking while you are throwing darts. So it's a multitasking job, but anyway, at least we have done it. So again, guys, I'm continuing to ask for a favor that when you were able to watch this YouTube video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That way we will be able to grow, not only here in the Philippines but international. We will be recognized as one of the darts channel, you know, showcasing our 501 practice and our darts collection as well. So anyway, guys, this will be the end of our video. So maraming salamat po dun sa mga nanood. Thank you guys sa ating mga local Filipino subscriber and our international subscriber, and will be our subscriber as well. So wishing you guys Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and stay safe and happy darting. Again, this is Jom Soriano, and tapos na po ang ating usapang dart, or what we call our darts discussion has ended. Thank you so much, and good evening, and bye for now.